Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best concrete driveway cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to restore your driveway or patio to its original glory, you're in the right place. All product links are in the description below, so make sure to check those out. Now, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the ZEP Driveway and Concrete Pressure Wash Cleaner Concentrate, a professional-grade solution designed to tackle some of the toughest stains. This product is particularly effective at removing oil stains, dirt, and grime from concrete, brick, asphalt, and other aggregate surfaces. Its concentrated formula means you'll need to mix it with water, making it an economical choice for larger areas. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its construction-grade pressure wash capabilities, which are ideal for walkways, patios, and parking lots. However, it's important to note that it should not be used on wood, painted, or sealed surfaces unless you're planning to refinish them afterward. The clean scent is a bonus, leaving your outdoor spaces smelling fresh after use. While it performs well on tough stains, the lack of versatility on certain surfaces and the missing price point may make it less appealing to some users. This product is best suited for homeowners or professionals who need heavy-duty cleaning power for unsealed concrete and similar materials. Overall, if you're looking for a dedicated driveway cleaner with industrial strength, the ZEP Driveway and Concrete Pressure Wash Cleaner is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Oil Eater Original Cleaner and Degreaser. This USDA-approved product is a fantastic multi-surface cleaner known for its ability to dissolve grease, oil, and heavy-duty stains. Its biodegradable, non-corrosive formula is a big plus for eco-conscious users, and it's safe for use in food service facilities. The Oil Eater cleaner is ultra-concentrated, making it highly versatile. From driveways and patios to grills, tools, and even carpets, this product can handle it all. The fresh lemon scent adds a pleasant touch, making your cleaning experience more enjoyable. However, it's worth noting that you'll need to dilute it before use, which may require some trial and error to get the perfect mix for different surfaces. What sets this cleaner apart is its professional strength and broad application. But it's not the most specialized product for concrete surfaces alone. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner that can handle your driveway and more, the Oil Eater is an excellent choice, though it may not deliver the same targeted results as some of the other products on this list. At number 3, we have the ZEP Driveway, Masonry, and Concrete Cleaner and Degreaser. This product is another powerhouse from ZEP, specifically formulated to eliminate tough stains like tire marks, grease, and oil from concrete, brick, and asphalt. It's a go-to choice for professionals thanks to its construction-grade formula. One of the key advantages of this cleaner is its versatility. It can be applied using a mop or pump sprayer, and it's equally effective for spot cleaning or deep cleaning larger areas. However, it's important to follow the instructions carefully. Letting the product sit for more than 10 minutes can damage some surfaces. Pre-treating older or larger stains is also recommended for the best results. While it's highly effective and easy to use, the need for pre-treatment and the stricter application guidelines might not be ideal for casual users. This product is perfect for homeowners or contractors who want a professional-grade cleaner to tackle stubborn stains with precision and efficiency. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Lido Dalla 14-inch pressure washer surface cleaner. Unlike the other products on this list, this is a pressure washer attachment designed for fast and efficient cleaning of large flat surfaces like driveways, patios, and sidewalks. With its stainless steel construction and 4-wheel design, it's built for durability and ease of use. What sets this product apart is its ability to clean without chemicals. Just add water, and you're good to go. The flexible bristles and 14-inch cleaning path make quick work of grime, mildew, and dirt, while the 4 wheels provide excellent maneuverability. It's compatible with pressure washers that deliver 2,500 psi or more, so you'll need to ensure your equipment meets the requirements. The downside is that it's not a standalone cleaner. You'll need a pressure washer to use it. But if you already own one, this attachment is a game changer for heavy-duty cleaning jobs. It's perfect for homeowners with large areas to clean, who want to save time and effort without compromising on results. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Wet and Forget Moss, Mold, Mildew, and Algae Stain Remover. This budget-friendly option is a standout for its simplicity and effectiveness. Unlike most cleaners, it requires no scrubbing, rinsing, or pressure washing. Just spray it on and let nature do the rest. This product is perfect for those who prefer a hands-off approach to cleaning. It's versatile enough to be used on driveways, patios, roofs, decks, and more. The formula is safe for a wide range of surfaces, and its long-lasting effects mean your driveway can stay clean for up to a year. However, it does take time to work. Green stains clear up in 1 to 2 weeks, while more stubborn black stains can take months. The Wet and Forget cleaner is ideal for homeowners who want an easy, low-maintenance solution to combat moss, mold, and mildew. While its slower results might not appeal to those looking for immediate gratification, the convenience and affordability make it a winner in our book. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which product you're considering for your driveway cleaning needs, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.